make things of lasting value.
It is our great honor that you take time out of your day, you travel here from distant places. So I encourage you to, you'll meet people who run businesses around Markel, who are the leaders who make all this happen. You'll meet fellow investors, and you can have the seeds of real relationships planted.
We want to be the #1 or #2 brand in every category we participate in.
I think that humility to say I don't really understand that particular business, but I can understand people to a degree. And I think we deploy exactly the same mentality our ventures colleagues do when they're looking for businesses in what we're doing as we go around the world.
Markel Group is a company built for and all about people. Saying Tony by itself gets the job done. It's one name that conveys the point. Everybody knows who you're talking about. It's like Cher or Bono or Tiger or Pele or Sting. So Tony, thank you.
Moral of this story is, Tony, you changed my life.
It's been a hell of a ride, for which I am eternally grateful.